Hi everyone! Have you ever tried creating a whole website using AI? Well, now with Spread Simple, it's possible and very easy to do. With this feature, all you need to do is write a short prompt and the system will generate everything for you. From the website logo to the content to design, literally everything. And it will also create the Google Sheet document for you to manage the content on your website. So now let's see how that works. First of all, you'll need to log into Spread Simple, open the web app and find the Try AI button that's next to the title and click it. And you'll be taken to the AI Creator, and here we have prepared some prompts for you to use right away. As you can see, AI Creator can generate an affiliate store for you, a template store, basically any digital product store, a job board, a tourism website, grocery store, or any e-commerce store you wish, a video catalog or a directory, anything you want. So you can go ahead and use one of these prompts. But now let's try something more custom and write our own prompt, because here you can write any kind of details you want to be on your website. For example, if you know already what you want to be shown on your logo, or the brand name, or the kind of features you want to be on your website, you can write it in the prompt and the creator will generate it. So let's say I want an affiliate store for makeup products, green theme with a brush on the logo. Now let's hit generate and watch the magic happen. The generating will take a couple of minutes, but typically it takes about, 5 maybe minutes. Okay, the generation is complete, and now we can see the website in the preview and decide if we want to keep working with this or change the prompt and generate something else. So if you do not like the first look of this website, you can hit try another prompt and start over. To me, the website looks pretty nice. I can go to the details page and check that one. So it added some specifications, the names, of course the images will be changed, and we have some filters here and sorting as well. And we can also preview the Google Sheet that we'll be using for the content management. So if I want to change on anything on my website and add any product or remove any product, I will be doing it through this Google Sheet. So to me, this looks all pretty good, and I'm gonna click continue to editor, and I will be able to finish working with my website there. And now you're in the Spread Simple website editor, and you can add or remove any features you like, and of course fill it with your content. To do that, to add your content and your products to the website, hit Edit Google Sheet, and the system will open the Google Sheet that you need to fill in with your product. For example, instead of this organic foundation, I can add any real product from Amazon or the one I'm selling, and add the details in the same row. And you can also add additional columns if you want more features to be shown on your website, and of course more products. Now let's go back and talk a bit more about the website editor itself. So in the Content tab, you can arrange the way your website looks and add or remove some features. For example, these are the filters and the sorting options for the website, and I prefer them to be in a sidebar rather than on top. So let's do that. Find the filters. For the filters, and here I can add or remove filters. For example, I don't want a color filter, and I can also enable this toggle and show the filters in the sidebar. To me, this already looks much nicer. If you want to adjust the view of a details page, a product page, you go to this little tab here, and here you can choose and change the layout and use a lot more features. If you want to change this generated intro or the name of your website or the logo, you go to the Design tab, and here you can change all that. All the header info, like whatever is here, the intro section, and also the footer section. In the Checkout tab, you can set up your shopping cart and the order form, shipping details, and all things payment. At the Settings tab, you can use even more features of SpreadSimple. For example, you can connect a custom domain, you can add SEO data to your website, you can change the language of your website, use custom code, and do a lot more. In the tab that's called Pages and Links, you can add more contact pages to your website, for example, an About Us page or terms and conditions, and they can be shown here in the header. And finally, in add-ons, you can connect add-ons, more software to your website to make it fuller richer, to help you with analytics, social media management, email marketing. You can add maps, some custom maps, Google Maps, add some checkout options. As you can see, there are a lot add-ons for you to use. So when you're done with everything and your website looks just like you want, you finally can hit publish and your website will go live. And here it is. You can open and check it out, and that's how long it took us to create a website. Literally 5 minutes. To me, this looks pretty cool, and I would really like to know how do you like this feature. So if you tried it already, or if you're gonna try it with SpreadSimple, please let us know in the comments what you think. And also go check out more videos of ours for more detailed tutorials on how to set up a SpreadSimple website and how to use all the features I told you about today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Goodbye.